they got them two big party boats docked there. What's that sign say?
Can't read it.
Yacht Club? Commodore Yacht Club. When I think of Commodores, I think of sail on down the line, won't you? Half a mile or so. Honey, don't you know? You got to be somebody fancy to go there, don't you?
Pay the dues.
We ain't fancy. That damn boat's got two air conditioners sticking out of it.
I like this old speedboat here on the left, split windshield.
Yeah, old timey.
It's pretty. Water kind of went up fast here.
Well, you better ease it up back out. Somebody's living right there. See all that stuff?
We went from something to nothing here.
Turn to the right. We're in shallow water then. How deep is it showing?
3 feet.
I don't see the bottom.
Drift out here a little bit. Get back where we can get some water. There we go. How that bottom go?
It's curving like that?
Yep.
We headed towards the drop off.
Yep. Okay. Feet,
40 feet?
25, 26, 27, 28.
Ralph Macchio. That's him. The Karate Kid. That's who you look like. We're headed for the coffee house. We didn't bring any fishing gear today. Just some supplies to clean this boat up. She is dirty. She's been sitting maybe a year.